I'd give my heart to Jesus, just let him take me in. Even if my best friend tried to turn me around, I would tell him all about Jesus. What a Savior I have found. That's how strong. That's how strong. That's how strong. That's how strong. God's love is. God's love is. That's how strong.